Alright guys, so we are headed to Joel's house right now. And in his birthday has just passed, his 16th birthday. So I got him a little something because he was always asking about my mount right here. I'll link them down in the description. You guys can buy one of them if you want. Like I said, it'll be in the description below. Hit that and it'll link you right to the product that I used. This worked really good for me, and pretty much there's just a magnet behind in your phone case like this, and it holds the phone there pretty good. It's a really strong magnet, but I'm gonna surprise Joel with a little gift for his birthday and congratulate him on starting to drive the Foxbody. So we'll see you guys there. They're the OEM wheels. I miss these wheels, but they look better on a Foxbody, I'll say that. I miss the OEM wheels, but now it's just, look at, from the track guys, look, all that. I gotta wipe that off ASAP before it burns on. Uh-oh, uh-oh. I got you a little something.
What'd you get me? What's this?
Just a little something, something. Dude, you don't know how to open it. There's like a little tab.
Where?
Just rip across the top.
You're tripping.
Yes there is, look.
I'm smart. Let's see.
Hopefully it's the right package, cause.
What is this? What is this? Oh, you got
it's a little phone mount.
That's tight, thanks. Hey, I'm gonna use it though.
Yeah. Nah, I thought, cause I remember you saying you liked this, so I'm just like, when you're whipping in the.
We'll put it right here.
When you whipping, you're gonna want to have your mount right there.
Nah, that's perfect.
Hard to see, but the blue brakes look clean.
Yeah, the brakes look clean. Let me show you. This is how it looked. That was the brakes, and then the coating oranges with the black.
I mean, too bad that's like hidden, but you know, who cares? Who cares?
Cool.
All right, Joel. So we have the Foxbody. She's on the ground. Okay, so give us a little brief rundown on the wheel setup and how it's fitting and rubbing issues and whatnot.
Everything's cool now. Took it out the other day or yesterday. Everything's good. Has a little bit of camber to it. I have to take it to alignment, but everything's fitting nice. The new disc Cobra ones, everything's good. Got the shocks on it. She's sitting good though. Everything's cool.
Fitment's clean.
She's almost there. I need a new alternator. I need new. That's pretty much alternator, and then it's almost good to go, really.
So everything else is set.
Everything is set. The whole front suspension's back together.
Just some minor things.
Yeah, the whole control arm, shock, bushings, everything. It's all small stuff. But the fitment's cool. It doesn't rub at all.
Yeah, from our insert clip of him banging on it back.
Hey,
6 months ago.
It don't rub.
Yeah, so fitment's cool.
Yeah, once it's on the road legally, I'm saving up for paint, and then she'll be getting painted.
Just leave it primered. You guys listen. You know, we be listening to Drake. Money in the Grave slabs though, guys. Hey, look at the Fox, guys. Hey, squad's gonna reunite ASAP, dude. Gas station here. Come on, be a Shell. I need a Shell closer to me. It's probably gonna be like a Valero or something. Alright, so what are we doing today, Ish?
Today we are at Clawson. It is a store for all
like motorcycle,
so ATVs, bikes, jet skis,
everything.
4x4 Raptor thingies.
So
we're here to get Alex SVT a helmet so he doesn't lose any more brakes.
Yes, and that's important when you're in a 200 horsepower Cobra.
Yep. Yeah.
So we're gonna look for a helmet for me. Don't want to spend too much, but we'll see what they have to offer, and definitely want it GoPro compatible.
I like that. Good job, Bobo.
Yay! Yay! Wait, what size is this one?
Small.
Dude, that is. Yeah, does this one open up?
Yeah, it's kind of like hard though. You have to like. There you go.
Yeah, it fits perfect.
That looks good. Hey, just get one of those.
You know what I'm talking about?
No.
This thing's carbon.
Yeah.
Definitely time.
I couldn't pass it up. A guy had.
What's up, guys? We got 4-point ishes, 2 valve right there. We got the Cobra going to a car show today. Should be pretty good, hopefully. And then we're gonna be headed to the track later. and hopefully everything turns out good. The Cobra is running the 315/30 18 Hoosiers. Looks really nice. We'll be headed to the track, and she's looking all good. Nice ceramic spray on the paint, and yeah, so we'll be ready to roll out.
We're going to be headed to the Nazzle house, and approximated time is 11 minutes away.
Copy that. We will sit back and relax. Guys, it is 4-point-ish with 3 H's. You know, we're going to a car show. I'm shouting myself out on Alex's page because
Shameless shout out.
he owes me it. So in one of those corners, he's going to drop my Instagram name. Give me a follow. YouTube to come. YouTube to come.
What the hell did he say?
What'd you say?
We're gonna have this video for a quick little ad. Selling, what's your product called? I forgot, because you know, you're all sponsored now, you all got it.
Oh yeah. I forgot to say, I did get a sponsor for this
Cleaning products.
like auto care products. It's called Bash Auto Care, and you can use my code 4-point-ish for 50% off. You know, more codes you guys use. Their products seem pretty cool. I haven't ordered any yet. I will be ordering some soon, because I get like 35% off or 25% off soon. So I might as well do it. Just wait on my YouTube page. I got some big things coming from the 2-valve with my main mechanic Tyson here. So big things to come, man. Big things to come. Probably if we had no cars, it's probably just gonna take something to How's it going?
What's up, Alex? We gotta go over here, park. He's gonna give you the number.
Cool. Register that at that blue tent.
Awesome.
Reverse it, bud.
Park, actually, yeah, Alex, park right next to the Shelby. Reverse into the Shelby.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Valve.
One right here in front.
What's going on? Good. Little turp. No, I'm just kidding. A little Pro Charger.
Okay, I'm gonna have to smack you upside the head.
4.0 Kenny Bow. How much power does it make?
1067.
No way.
If I get a GT500, I'm gonna do white with the red stripe. But I'm really thinking about a GT350.
Yeah, I just because everyone, you know, 6,000 YouTubers just got
Yeah.
GT500.
Yeah, especially that loser Chris. I mean, I don't like that
Chris
guy.
SVT, he's kind of a poser, you know? He really copied that guy Marin or Martin.
Marin.
There was this Hellcat.
Hey, squad. Their squad's rolling deep.
Dude, that's a nice squad though.
For real.
Look at that wide
It was clean.
There was.
Goddamn. Imagine we pulled up in the.
What tips are those? Hey, Mr. Termy.
Yeah.
Back. Right there.
Dude, this grabber blue is so clean.
Oh, it's a clone. It's a GT.
Is it?
I'm just gonna ask you one.
They finally came out. Hey, Chris SVT.
What's up, guys?
Abraham SVT. Green horses in the back.